going on, guys and gals? Brad here for LaytonSportsCards. We're ripping. This is 2021 Optic Choice Baseball, 10 box number 14. Pick your team style. Got Andrew B. Rockies, Anthony P. Orioles, Benjamin V. D-backs, Bernie S. Angels, White Sox, Pirates, Blue Jays, Bill S. Astros, Boris C. Yankees, Chris D. Marlins, Giants, David Y. Mariners, Henry T. Rays, Jacob C. Tigers, Jake K. Nationals, Jerry F. Mets and Red Sox, Joshua B. Dodgers, Padres, Justin P. Royals, Kyle M. Brewers, Manabu S. Cardinals, Michael G. Phillies, Patrick D. Rangers, and Sandy D. Braves, Solomon B. Twins, and Takumi O. Indians on the bottom. Let me complete this. Perfect. All right, let's do it. Good luck. I can't remember. Does anybody remember if there's stained glass in Mosaic Choice? I think there is. Right? Like as inserts? Alright, we got Silver Arenado, Silver Wilt Crow, /99 Tigers Rookie Auto, Tariq Skubal, /99 Mats Andres Jimenez, /99 Marlins Jazz Chisholm, Rookie Auto Marlins, Ronald Acuna Red, Green Patino, Red McClanahan, Stars Dansby, and Stripes Charlie Blackmon. I thought so too, Joshua. Got Silver Story, Silver Josh Fleming, Mariners /99 Auto, Evan White, Tigers /99 Isaac Paredes, Rookie Auto, Blue Jays /99 Rated Rookie Auto Nate Pearson, Blue Jays. We got a red Tristan McKenzie, red Zach Gallen, green Mookie Betts, stripes Miggy, and silver Jonathan India. Got Silver Trout, Silver Trevor Rogers, /99 Rookie Auto Ryan Mountcastle Orioles, /99 Clark Schmidt Yankees Auto, Phillies /99 Rookie Auto Spencer Howard, Philadelphia. A Rosarena Red, Tim Anderson. You know, Uzi's from West Philadelphia. He was born and raised there.
It's true.
You know, playing basketball in the park. That's where he spent most of his days as a kid. Got Stars, Alonzo, and Casey Mize. You know, just chilling, maxing, relaxing, all cool. Got Silver Syndergaard, Acuna, Braves /99 Ian Anderson, rated rookie auto. Yep, he got in one little fight, and his mom got scared, sent him down to Orlando to break with LSC. Got Esteban Florial, rookie auto, Yankees. White mojo. Tristan McKenzie /99, Indians, rookie auto. We got Dalton Jeffries, red. Green, Casey Mize. Red, Monty Harrison. Stripes, Anthony Rendon. Green, Corbin Burns. No coffee yet. My throat is just wrecked right now, dude. I don't know what it is. I got like a tickle in my throat. I don't want to make it worse. So I've just been chugging water all day. Got silver Kershaw, silver Joe Adell. /99, Monty Harrison auto. Marlins. 12 to go. Mosaic Choice. Random teams on sale. We got Zach McKinstry, rated rookie auto, Dodgers. /99, Bobby Delbeck, rookie auto, Red Sox. I think it's that cold front, honestly. I really do. Got green, Daniel Lynch, red Walker Buehler, Freddie Freeman, green, Corey Seager, stars, Diamond King stars, Joey Gallo. Yeah, those UFC fights were good, man. Taylor Trammell, Chris Bubich, silver. Jesus Sanchez, Marlins auto, /99. /99, Leody Taveras, Texas auto. Got rated rookie auto, Sixto Sanchez. Marlins. You know you've got like a perfect name for being a fighter of some sort. Like Uzi strikes fear into the hearts of people.
That's fair. I should become an MMA fighter.
You know, it makes them think of a gun, and then it makes them think of dying. Yeah. We got Braylon Marquez, green. Correa, red. Walker Buehler, green. Stars, Pavin Smith. Silver, Freddie Freeman. Yeah, you should start training.
Do you think I could go professional?
I think you could. I think you could. We'll get you all juiced up to the gills, dude.
Yeah.
You won't even be able to like put your arms down because your biceps will be so huge. You got silver, Corey Seager. Silver, Garrett Crochet. Got to go through doors sideways. Got White Sox, rookie auto, /99, Jonathan Stiver. White Sox, rookie auto, /99, Jonathan Stiver. And Joe Adell, auto, /99, Angels. Got Green Miggy, Keston Hiura, Brady Singer, Stars, Rafael Marchand, Stripes, Reese Hoskins. Did you guys see that photo going around from the fight? Dana White was watching the Canelo fight on his monitors while the Rose fight was going on right in front of him. So funny, dude. Got Silvers, Marte, Lubob, Sixto, /99, Garrett Crochet auto, White Sox. /99, Brady Singer, Royals auto. Oh, Lane made the same bet, Joshua. /99, Nate Pearson, rookie auto, Blue Jays. Got Tatis Jr., Mike Yastrzemski. We got Lindor Green. Yeah, I've got a tickle in my throat. Daniel Lynch Stars. And Silver Mountcastle Orioles. I'm going to have some tea and honey when I get home. Silver Harper, Tejada, Silver, Josh Fleming, Rays auto /99, Rockies /99, Ryan Vilade, rookie auto Angels /99, Joe Adele. There you go, Angels. Vlad Guerrero Jr., Glasnow, Raffy Devers, Stars, Austin Meadows, and Red, Brandon Woodruff. Last one. Got Silvers, LeMahieu, Silver Sam Huff, Taveras, rookie auto /99, Rangers. Padres, Luis Patino, rookie auto. And /99, Nate Pearson, Blue Jays auto. All right, we got Harper Green, Ramirez Red, Lau Green, Stripes Yelich, and Silver Sam Huff. And there you go. That'll do it, guys. Coming up next, Mosaic Hobbies. Sit tight.